How do you feel about coaching? Are you happy you started?
No, I've absolutely learned a lot. I've learned to look at like food components differently than I have before and put a lot more thought into how it's actually going to come together on the plate. And yeah, yeah, it's been a good experience to add to the toolbox.
What do you think you learned the most?
I think the thing I learned, the most probably profound lesson I learned is how to like really think about when I'm creating a dish, how to think about preparing the ingredients so that they're ready to be presented. So not just kind of putting something together and trying to figure out how to make it nice, like really putting a lot of thought into that. And now I start to understand how a lot of very high-end chefs will come up with like really crazy processes to make ingredients. It's because they have this vision of how they want it to eat and look. And so I,
Mm.
I, I understand that a little more.